So Lillian has 50% more than Jacqueline, right? So we can just put Jacqueline to 100, and then Lillian would have 150, and Alice has 125%, so she has 125. And 150 and 125, you simplify this like fraction, I guess. You'll get 6 out of 5, which means that Lillian has 1/5 for more than Alice, and 1/5 is 20%.
Yeah. Yeah, so that means so unit of blood expires after 10 factorial. So you use your calculator and you do 10 factorial. Oh, I don't think it's a thing.
You have to keep doing this.
So it's 3,628,800. So it's minus calculator. And then in one day there's who knows how much seconds in a day? What is it? So you have to go back to the calculator and do 3,628,800 divided by 86400. I mean, thousand. Wait. Oh my. So okay, it's 42. It's 42. So you divide it by and it's 42. So if it's day 1 and then 31 days would get you to February 1, and 31 minus is 11. So if you're on February 1, so after 11 days, you're on February 12. Yeah.
Guys, number 4. And who's got number 4? You guys knew how to do number 4. Andrew, didn't you know how to do number 4? What? What?
I just remember 3 factorial and there's 4 ways.
Yeah.
4 ways. Do you really know? How do you know typical?
Oh, again.
I'll go question 8.
Good job. Good job.
So there's 3 mathematics courses in a 6-period day. So let's write the 6 periods. And then you can't have 2 consecutive periods. So how much ways is could you place out the courses? So you could put algebra here, geometry on 3, and number theory on 6. On 5. And then you do factorial. So there's in total the 6 here in total. So there's AGN, ANG, and then GAN, GNA, and NAG and NGA. So there's 6 here. And then the next one is 246. So AGN. And then there's 6 here again. And then the next one is on 1, A, and then there's 3, A, yeah, there's 3, and then there's 6, and then there's A on day 1 again, G on day 4, and N on day 6, so that's 6 again. So that's all you could do, so you just add it all up, and it's 24. Yeah, that's all.
All right, Jerry. What? All right. You know this one? Gavin, you know this one? No? Oh yeah. Alan, you know this one? No?
Which one? 5?
Yeah. You should do a harder one. Do it. Again? All right. All right, Alan, Brian, doing it.
Oh, okay.
I'm dominating. Yeah. So after reading the question, you know that all of them are fake. So this is like the intervals mean 0 miles to 4 miles or 4 miles to 5 miles. So if all of them are fake, then we are at least 6 miles away. So we are at most 6 miles away. So it can't be can't be bigger than 6. So smaller. Wait, did I do that correct? Did I do that correct? Yeah. So it's smaller than 6, and then we are at most 5 miles away. So it's at least 5. So it has to be between 5 and 6. So that's why it's D. Yeah, that's all.
Number 6. Hey, let's go, Andy.
I'm not sure if my explaining is correct. So we're gonna have to use guess and check. Right now we see that. Okay, I did guess and check. Okay, so we first we first know that 65% was like, and there was 35% that was dislike, and then we know that the total is 90. So if we try 200, and then we have to get the calculator. Okay, we're just gonna. Okay, we're gonna do 200 divided by, times 0.65. And so we have 130, and 200 times 0.35 is 70, and 130 minus 70 is not is 60, and it's not 90. And then we have 300. We do it with 300, and we do 300 times 0.65. So 195. We all have that right now. And now if we do 300 times 0.35 is 105. And if we subtract that, it's 90. So right now we know that the second one is B. See? It's correct. See? See? I heard all of that. I know. How do I clear? Okay. All right. So in order to do this question, you know that 65% were likes. 60% were likes, and then so you know that 35% were dislikes. And then from here you can subtract the two percentages in order to get 30%. And since you know that at one point Sango saw that his video had a score of 90 and that like the difference of these two would be, so like this 30% of the number of people who like voted is equal to 90. So 30%, if you were to write as a fraction, is equal to 3/10. So then you do 90 divided by 3/10, which is equal to 90 times 10/3. And so this is equal to 300, which is B.
Gavin, you know this one? Thomas, you know Hunter? Oh, you got this.
Okay, so for this one, you have to know how many times 5 can go into 4,000. I have this calculator now. Okay, so you have 4,000, and you can see how many times you can divide it by 5, because that's how many times the exponent is gonna be. So this is 1, 2, 3. So you can divide it 3 times. So you have 3. And then you can also have a negative exponent, which would make the fraction reciprocate, which means it'll flip over. So you have to also see how many times 2 can go into 4,000, because that's the other one. So you can see that was 5 times. So 3 plus 5, because that's the total, and then it's 8.
I could do it. I'm letting you take the.
All right, Andy, do it then.
I'm the one who told you guys how to do it.
I don't know. I don't know how to do it. Okay, so we could do the amount of 5-cent coins is X. So that means the amount of 10-cent coins has to be X plus 3 by this part. And then the amount of 25-cent coins has to be X. 23 minus X minus 2. Minus X minus 3. So basically 23 minus 2X minus 3. So now we gotta do the actual equation. So 320 equals 5x plus 10x plus 3 plus 25. 20. Yeah, so 320 is equal to 5x. We use this distributive property plus 10x plus 30 plus it was 575 minus 50x minus 75. So we could simplify this as 320 minus equals, first we could do this 15x plus 530 and then minus 50x and then we got equals to 35x plus 530. What? Yeah, negative 35 is 320. So you have to like move the 530 to one side and it's negative, I think it's negative 210 equals negative 35. And then 35x. And then if you divide it, it's x equals 6, I believe. So if the amount of 5-cent coins is 6, then you just put it into this equation and you get 23 minus 2 times 6 minus 3. So it's 23 minus 12 minus 3 is so it's minus 12 minus 3. So, and then after that you get 8. And then 8 minus 6 is 2. So now it's C.
All right, so this question states that all of these triangles in this diagram are similar. So you know that uh you can actually like draw out all of these. So there. What? Oh no. So you can basically just draw out all of these triangles. So then all of these triangles combined will make up the top half of this of triangle ABC. And since you already know that the area of all these small triangles is 1, you could just count out all these small triangles, and that would be 7, 5, 12. So there are 16 of these, so the combined area would be 16. And then the total area of ABC is 40, so you would do 40 subtract 16, which is equal to 24, which would be the area of DBCE. So the answer is E, 25.
Try number 10. Okay, so for number 10, you can see that these two are almost exactly the same, except this one is a minus and this one is a plus. So then you can use the difference of squares property. So you multiply these two together, which would be 49 minus x squared minus 25 plus x squared because the two negatives turn into a positive. And then on the other side, it's just 3 times this. I'm not going to write it down. So then this side, you can simplify that. So the x cancel out. And then this is just going to be 24 to the 3 times that. And then you can divide both sides by 3 to isolate this part. So then 8 is going to be equal to that part. So the answer is just 8.